Good day to you everyone. My name is John Lister A. Madula, and today we are going to enumerate the three sets of 10 commandments of driving. So, the first set of 10 commandments of driving is as a driver. The first commandment is do not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, or nor fatigued. The second is do not pass without care on curves, nor hills, or nor the view is unseen by the naked eye. The third commandment is do not violate speed laws nor exceed the speed limits. The fourth is do not disobey highway signs and the traffic signs. The fifth commandment is do not make a twist without signaling your intentions. The sixth is do not accelerate your speed at schools, playgrounds, hospitals, and the dangerous zones. The seventh commandment is do not be careless when crossing at intersections. The eighth commandment is do not glare your headlights on approaching cars at night. The ninth commandment is slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before you. The tenth commandment is be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrians. And the second set of the 10 commandments of driving is as a self-traveler. First is thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second is thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third is thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. The fourth is thou shalt not take in any chances. The fifth is thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Sixth is thou shalt not drive on any bright. The seventh is thou shalt not drive with one light or with flatty tires. Eighth is thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. The ninth is thou shalt keep thy distance. The tenth is thou shalt practice patience. And the third set and the last 10 commandments of driving is as a self-clearance. First, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibit parking. Fourth, if in doubt, do not overtake. Fifth, the bus stop rule. Lining up on the bus stop zone. Sixth, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Seventh, observe traffic management measures. Eighth, the philosophy of Pinoy drivers, first come, first serve vehicle. Ninth, on pedestrian. And last, the 10th, remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.